Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you that how you can register with the Shopify partner program, and let me tell you the benefit of that. So for example, you are new with the Shopify and you are interested to do some testing regarding the feature of the Shopify and other things. So at that moment, most of the cases you do the registration with the Shopify directly, and at that moment you are getting only 14 days trial period, and in that trial period you couldn't able to realize the features and experiment everything which you are interested in, and you have the short time, and because of that, once the subscription started, then if you are not ready, then the whole things get destroyed. All right, and your if you will take the subscription, then you will able to continue. So there is an alternate. If you don't want to come with this specific thing, you have another option which is like partner program. So Shopify is just providing this to do the testing process, and if you are a developer, you wanted to create some themes, some apps, so at that moment you have this alternate, and over there, if you are new to Shopify, you can do some testing, and you can also try different themes and different structures, and you can upload various things, you can create the product and everything, and you can also keep your store live. There are limitations, like you can only have 50 orders, genuine orders in that store. So of course you are interested in doing some testing and experimenting everything, so at that moment you have no need to worry about the orders and stuff. All right, once you are done with everything, then you can join the Shopify, and you will be getting the trial period, and then onwards you will have to purchase the Shopify subscription plan, and afterwards you will continue your e-commerce business, right? So let me tell you how you will able to join that Shopify partner program. Once you are going to shopify.com, then you have to scroll it down, and at the last, on the right bottom corner, you will be getting Shopify. Here we have the contact link, and then we have partner program. So you need to click on this partner program, and once you are clicking that one, then you have the option to join. So for example, you already joined, then you need to log in with this one, but I am new to this, so I'm gonna join this Shopify partner program. So here you need to enter your email address, then after you have to add your first name, then last name, and then you have a password, and need to confirm the password, and let's create that account. So you need to click on create account. So for example, you already registered with this one, then you need to change the email address. Actually I have registered with a lot of other stores, so I need to change the email address. So once you signed up, then you have some account information. All fields are required unless otherwise noticed. So business name, if you have any. So for example, I am adding here Ramzan, and website is optional, and we have the address details, city, and everything. So first of all, you need to fill everything, and then after what is the primary way you plan to make money on Shopify. So according to your interest, whatever knowledge you have, accordingly you should select one of the option. Then you have also select few options here, and then click on view your dashboard. So I am going to fill all the details behind the scene, and then I will click on create account. So once you are filling everything, then you will have this button enabled. So click on view your dashboard. So once you are clicking on this dashboard, then you will be redirected to the dashboard. So here you can see that everything is ready for you. So let's do something more. over here. So we have actually need to create the store. So for example, you are clicking on this stores, so you will be getting nothing here. So start with the store, so you have to click on add store, but before that you have to confirm your email address. So let me confirm my email address, then I will able to add the store. So once you will refresh this page after confirming the email address which you have registered with Shopify partner, then you will see that add store button would be enabled here. So now you need to click on add store, and here you need to select development store, and then we have store name, for example Ramzan-dev. So if that would be available, then there would not be any error, and if that is available, if that would be available, then definitely there would not be any error. But for example, this is not available, so you can see that store URL is unavailable. So I have written here Ramzan-dev, and here I have the email address. Then I can add here the password, and here we have developer preview, which is not needed right now. And finally, what will you do with the development store? Build a new store for a client, test an app or theme. So for example, I am writing here test an app or theme, and then you need to click on store, save. So you have to wait for some time until this is setting up everything, and once that is set up, then you will be redirected to your store dashboard. And this is really simple process to follow. You can see that I have done few steps which are really simple, and once you are done with everything, then you can see that this is the actual store which we have. And for example, you are interested to see the front page, you need to click on this I button here, and you will be redirected to your store. So you can see that this is your store. Here we have everything. We have the newsletter, email address, subscribe, and everything is over here. So now we can do whatever we are interested in. We have the online store, we have the themes, and for example, you are interested to change the theme. By default, Shopify is providing the debut theme. So you can see that we have the debut theme already installed. We have a lot of other themes as well. For example, you are clicking on explore theme. We have a lot of other themes as well. So for example, we have the supply theme, and if we are interested to use this one, we need to click on that one and add to theme library, and you need to publish that one. So you can see that we have this supply theme over here. And if we are interested to use this one, we only need to click on actions, and then we will be having one more option of publish. But once that is successfully added, then you will be getting that option. So you can see that this is just added successfully, and you need to click on action, then you need to click on publish, and you can see that this theme would be published and the structure would be changed automatically. Now you can see that we have the supply theme. If we are interested to see once again, now you will be seeing the new theme installed onto your store. So here you can see that we have the supply theme installed onto our development store. All right, so we have a lot of other options like products. So if you are interested to add some products, you can do some you can add the products. You have the transfers, collections, you can create the collections. I have already created one store from scratch, so I will be adding the link into the below description. So you need to follow that how you can create a brand new store for Shopify. So you should follow that one. But the main purpose of this video was to just show you that without subscription how you can start with your Shopify testing. So because we have the 14 days free trial period, and in that we could would not able to experiment everything in that short period of time if someone is new. All right, so this is not possible. That's why I thought that I have to share this specific trick so that you could do some practice and follow everything, and you get aware about every feature of the Shopify, because we have a lot of apps as well. So once you are clicking on apps, then you will be having a bunch of options to install the apps. So a lot of things are over there. So you when you will be following the video which I will be adding into the description, definitely you will get a lot of information through that. All right, so in this video I am just thinking that this is enough for you. So in the next video I will be sharing you a lot of other stuff which will be helping you to explore a lot of other things related to Shopify, and how you can build your store, how you can add new features, and how you can improve everything which is required to your Shopify store. So if you have not subscribed the channel, please click on subscribe button, and also press the bell icon so that you get notified with the latest and updated videos. And also like this video if you are thinking that this has added some value to your life. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next one.